Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can equip or unequip lantern skin in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how you can equip or unequip the lantern skin, I'm going to show you how you can get the lantern skin. Basically, if you want to get it, you need to join event in Fish It. For example, this classic event, and this event will give you the pursuit lantern. Or you can join the treasure hunt event, and if you're lucky, you will get lantern from that event. But I still can't get it, guys. I need to try again. And yeah, I'm going to show you how you can equip the lantern skin. You can go to the settings menu, guys, and you will see lantern skins option. Just click on view, and here you can equip or unequip your lantern skin. Okay, you just need to tap on this menu. Okay, and this is my pursuit lantern. Okay guys, and that's how you can equip or unequip lantern skin in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!